Welcome to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to use video as live wallpaper on Android. Here's a step guide to use a video as live wallpaper on Android. First is to unlock your mobile phone and connect to the internet if needed. Open the Google Play Store from your home screen or app drawer. In the search bar, type the Video Live Wallpaper or Video Wallpaper app. Choose a reliable app, for example, Video Live Wallpapers, Video Wall, or Wallpaper Engine for mobile. Tap Install and wait for the app to download. Once installed, tap Open to launch the app. Grant the app the necessary permissions like storage or media access. Inside the app, choose Video or select Video. Browse and tap your phone's gallery or files and choose the video you want as wallpaper. Use the app's built-in trim or crop tool if you want to shorten or resize the video, if there's any. Then adjust settings like sound, mute, or keep audio, and loop playback. Tap Set as Wallpaper or Apply within the app. Then tap on Set Wallpaper again if there's an option. Choose whether to set the video for home screen, lock screen, or both. Then exit the app and check your screen. And now, your chosen video will now play as a live wallpaper. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.